Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. This is question 3. So sometimes actually you may be given some expression of alpha and beta to get the value, and at the same time sometimes you may be given an expression of alpha and beta in order to calculate uh, in order to use it and get the equation. So that is what we are going to do at this point. So I given an expression of alpha and beta in order to use it and generate equation from this. So what we are going to, ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to say solution. So we have 3x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. So you need to bring out the product and the summation of this quadratic equation. So it's simple. From here we know that a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 4. So I think from here we can see, ladies and gentlemen, we bring all the values. And we know that the product, that is also the summation alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b over a. And then alpha times beta, that is the product, is equal to c over a. So you can see from here clearly, ladies and gentlemen, here we have minus b over a. So the b here is minus 6 divided by a is 3. So therefore, this is something as minus 3. And then the next thing is, of course, c over a. So the c here is 4. So we have 4 divided by 3. So we now have this. So what is the next thing? So we are now going to get the summation of this first and then the multiplication. So let's start with the summation. So the sum of the root is 1 all over alpha plus 1 all over beta. And of course, we have to multiply this time this and this time this. So this time this is something as alpha plus this time this is something as alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So we can see clearly from here, we can say alpha plus beta is minus 6 over 3. So we have minus 6 all over 3, which is the something as minus 2. I forgot here. It's something as minus 2, of course, not minus 3. So then we also have divided by alpha times beta. Alpha times beta is 4 all over 3. So therefore, you can now multiply this time this and then this time this. So this is going to give us, this time this is equal to minus 6 times 3 divided by 4 times 3, 4 times 3. So this will now cancel this. For the summation at the end, we are now going to have, because you can now say 2 into this, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 6 is 3. So at the end, for the sum, we have minus 3 all over 2. So then the next one is product, that is to get alpha times beta. So for the product of this, so we have alpha times, of course, alpha over, 1 over alpha times 1 all over beta. So therefore, alpha 1 times 1 is going to give us 1. Then alpha times beta is going to give us alpha beta. And of course, we know that we have alpha beta is 4 all over 3. So we have 1 divided by 4 all over 3, which is something as we can now see this one already. We can say divided by 1, then divided by 4 all over 3. So this time this is 3. 1 times 1 is 3 divided by 4 times 1 is 4. So for the summation, we have 3 over 4, and then for the product is 3 over 4, and then for the summation is minus 3 over 4. So remember, actually in the previous questions we solved, I told you that minus x squared is open bracket sum x plus the product equals to 0. So now the sum here, that is x squared minus the sum we got from here. Where is it? The sum. Okay, this is the sum. So the sum is minus 3 over 2. So we have minus 3 all over 2 x, and then plus the product is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 is equal to 0. So what are we going to do next is to normalize. And how do you normalize? We now, this is 4, so we can multiply the equation 2 by 4. We can multiply the equation 2 by 4 to remove this fraction by 4. Then also by 4. So at the end, this will give us 4x squared minus times minus is plus. So of course 4 here, 2. So 2 into 2, 1. 4 here, then we have 2. So we have minus times minus is plus. So 3 times 2, we have plus 6x. And then this is plus 3, then it's equal to 0. So this is the equation 4x squared plus 6x plus 3. So therefore the answer is option C. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You see how you were able to form equation using an expression of 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.